Minister, I want to return to the issue of the fact that there's 10 ministers that haven't paid back money that's owed to the public funds, in some cases tens of thousands of euros, 7 months after it being requested. Now, when I questioned Jack Chambers, who's the minister responsible for the NSSO, which will deal with these repayments, he said that he's not privy to the interactions between ministers and the NSSO, and he also doesn't know the identity of the 10. Now, you made a stout defence of the fact that those 10 have yet not paid back the money. So I want to put a number of questions, and I expect direct answers. First of all, do you know who the 10 ministers are that haven't so far paid back the thousands of euro that they owe the public purse? How many of them are Fine Gael ministers? And the information that you put on the record of this Dáil here today in their defence, where was that information elicited from if it wasn't got from the individual ministers? And crucially, when are the ministers going to cough up and pay back the money that they owe the taxpayer? Please, direct answers.
Well, first of all, this is questions on promised legislation, but I will respond directly to you, as I have been very clear in relation to the NSSO. This is an error by the NSSO, and ministers are engaging with the NSSO. I do not know, nor should I know, the identity of anyone's payroll matters in this state. But I do know from dealing with the NSSO, because, as I said here, between underpayment and overpayment, everyone was affected that served and gave a salary sacrifice in government, that decision to reduce your salary by 10%. And that's why it's critical. Let me finish. Excuse me. Let me finish. In relation to 10, that engagement is ongoing. My point was, because I've dealt with them myself, I know exactly how. Who said that no minister is not willing to pay this back? Who said that? That's the reverse of your question. He did not say that no one is not willing to pay it back, and we're very clear that anyone who does not take action here will not get their pension.